Hey guys, I'm Dipendra from Fixing Port. Today I'm not here to talk about the products in the market, but I am here to talk about the market itself. I know it's a bit confusing, so let me tell you that today I'm here to talk about the application store present on our devices, that is the Google Play Store. In the recent time, app developers have started to demand for a national app store as an alternative to Google Play Store. So let's begin. Many parallel things have happened in the market recently which led to the demand for a national Play Store. For example, Google announced that it will take 30% fee from the apps which are not using Google billing services. And also another thing happened that Google recently pulled out the mobile wallet app Paytm for violating the platform's rule and conditions for content. Paytm's co-founder and CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma is leading a team of app developers and entrepreneurs to develop an alternative app store or a national app store. Google in a recent statement also announced that it will take 30% cut from the app developers for the in-app purchases which are being made via Google billing services. And they also told in a blog that Google billing services is being used by 97% of the apps present on the App Store. Vishal Gondal, founder of healthcare platform Goki, told to Gadget 360 in an interview that the prime reason for asking for a national app store is not just revenue, but it is also to help the local app developers and the local applications which are being used in India. But on the contrary, there are many app stores which are also present alternate to the Google Play Store, such as Samsung, Vivo, Xiaomi App Store. Google also told that in the next year they will be announcing along with Android 12 that they will be helping the people to switch from App Store, that is Google App Store, to other app stores such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Vivo, or etc. etc. On the contrary, some of the experts also believe that it won't be easy to build a national app store competing Google Play Store or as an alternative to Google Play Store, seeing the huge user base of Google and also a tight grip of Google Play Store on the market. In the recent turmoil in the Indian digital market which is going on, it is another setback to Google, or you can say that it is another development for the app developers to demand for an alternative app store. I hope our video helped you, and if our video helped you, then please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing tech videos. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.